All I want to say is that they don't really care about us. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us.
What?
Skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone, man. Situation, aggravation, everybody, I'm a tissue. What's up? What's up, everybody? How we doing? Who got cooked on that drop? For real, for real.
I was in it, but it didn't count on alpha.
Type shit.
Sorry, bitter.
Let me make a nice postings. Let me make a nice story post. Get some people in here. I entered along there and it nuked. Yeah, that candle was kind of ridiculous.
And it honestly, it did look like a long till.
That was a 145-point drop. Damn, go crazy. It's not loading. Here, let me clean this. Do a pose. Okay, maybe not that pose. Oh, okay, okay. What should the caption be?
Word.
I'm just gonna say, let's make some monies.
Yeah, he does not like the we're doing it.
Again. Cell service cut out. Luckily, I had my stops in. Yo, W.
Oh, we have to put our headset in. Oh,
Huh.
he's better.
I'm ready.
He's better than I.
What do you think this is, huh?
Underwater whales. Is that not alpha? The P&L that you just showed? Aren't they down right now? Lucids. Oh, fair.
Baby girl.
You guys like this chart or what? Look at that chart. They don't really care about us. I had a short at the top of AT funded and the P&L didn't register. Yeah, they are currently doing maintenance still. And like, I get it. It fucking sucks. But like, they really do have to figure it out prior to the fact. I was in that short too. I'd probably be up a good, 100 points. And I was in 4 minis. What is that, Rams? It was 150 points, you said, John?
145.
That's 12K right there. I would be up.
Wow. Which would put you up like 34.
Yeah.
That's more than a max payout on alpha.
But it is what it is when it is what it isn't. I'm not going to try to complain because I still get my payouts while I'm pissing.
No cap. No cap.
Guys, start of the new month, and we are halfway through the year. If you guys haven't made a change inside of your trading for 2026, now's the fucking time. Stop loafing, make the change now, and become better. Because
Bro, for
otherwise,
real.
you're gonna be stuck in the same cycle, and you can talk to the same people that have been trading for years now, and it's a never-ending cycle if nothing changes. So make the change now, otherwise, you will get absolutely.
Well, you know how much more fun it's gonna be to play GTA 6 when you're profitable? Like, come on, what are we talking about?
Amarski,
Good morning.
how are you? You
Pineapple.
Good morning,
say?
Amar.
Morning.
Did you see my text this morning, Amarski?
Yeah, you saw my text back?
Oh no, not yet. Let me see.
Damn, he didn't even check that shit.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I've been. You know how busy I've been.
Is that your alpha chart?
Yeah.
That's fucking
It just-
ridiculous.
And you know what's crazy? It would have been literally double the line.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. My toxic trade is I'm
I
gonna
want
day
to
trade in
send
GTA
you one
6.
more thing, Ace.
Well, chat, I am potentially one trade away from a payout on the 150K. Pretty bangerific definitious. Let me say hi to all these beautiful people in the chat. Good morning, Bones. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Kid Drizzle. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, M-Dog. Good morning, Turtle Trader. Good morning, Trader Joe's. Good morning, Fowles. Good morning, Ezra. Good morning, Espinolo. Good morning, Jiffy. Good morning, Scotty. Good morning, Toasty. Good morning, Penny. Good morning, Fastwatch. Good morning, Kimmy. Good morning, Savi. Good morning, Zulu. Good morning, Phantom. Good morning, Euro. Good morning, Mem Drop. Good morning, Colton. Good morning, One Way. Good morning, Eddie. Good morning, Suresh. Good morning, TJD. Good morning, Pina Colada. Good morning, Sis. Good morning, Mdils. Good morning, Star. Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Nav. Good morning, KMT. Good morning, One. Good morning, A. Good morning, Alphamere. Good morning, Underwater. Good morning, Kells. Good morning, Buffett. Good morning, Eric. Ooh, not a single stutter today. Wow.
Yo, shout out to Euro. He's about to be in like the third round of the cup.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
cap. Euro's cooking on the cup. Yo, I low-key wish I got in it. I was like so lazy and then I was late.
Sure. I can't do this. Oh, you weren't listening. I'll just show you.
I understand. We in the fourth round? Yeah, yo, W Euro. For real. All right, let me do some technical analysis. Bro, honestly, it's so nice to get to the point where like market literally just opened. And I'm about to do TA right now, and I'm about to be done in like a minute.
Here, let me share my Tradeovate for now. Alpha is down, which is my main funded. So I don't want to show anything until I can get that sorted. But as of right now, guys, we did hop back into this nice fat range that we have on our daily. So we just hopped back inside of that accumulation, and we are currently testing a value area low from our Friday session. Our previous week value area high, however, is at 2085.52. So if you guys were inside of the premium class yesterday, wait, first of all, premium students, whoever was there, banger or not banger?
Bro, Toasty printed off of whatever you talked about yesterday.
I'm just saying.
Banger.
Fast Watch said banger. Oh yeah, Marsky was there yesterday. Love you, Marsky.
I couldn't.
pretty
I was
much
at
my
a baby
strat.
cousin's communion type shit.
Communion.
You guys, it was bangerific definitious. All the girls.
John
looked
was
suspicious.
scared. I texted John, and he's like, "Bro, too much sauce."
Yeah, I'm gonna upload it after stream. For all
He's
the
like,
premium people.
"Bro, too much sauce."
Bro, you
Come
guys,
on.
like all the premium people, you guys gotta like really try. I know obviously sometimes you're busy and
When we
shit,
touch,
but you really gotta try to show up live. Because being able to be there as it's happening and like being able to ask questions if you're confused on anything,
it's so much more digestible.
so much. Yeah, it's like so much. Like look at Toasty. Toasty printed off of whatever was talked about yesterday. I missed it, so you know. But
Also,
Yeah,
no printed, no cap.
to everyone that was in the class, what did I say about the short? I literally kept saying, I'm like guys, big fat short, big fat short, big fat short. Look at where we are in the market from when we did class.
Bro, that's how you know the class was banger. Toasty's like, and I don't even fully understand it, and she still printed. W, love to see it. I love to see the people print.
Also, I didn't tell the boys this yet.
Yeah, also, guys, Tradeify
okay.
is
Yeah.
Let's just
50%
ignore
off
I'm just
right
gonna go
now.
fucking- what
If you
the
guys are interested, code PHUB. I just like telling them about the is it not Tradeify? Oh,
No.
You have to.
oh, never mind.
Yeah, it's only on one, and they had to be a part of the trade.
What's the goated code right now?
Lucid 50% off.
Oh, Lucid still 50?
Yeah.
For 2 accounts type shit. Toasty and I are the same. Printed but didn't get it. Hey, listen, sometimes execution over understanding.
Hey,
you
I was
know?
asking if you guys get it. No one had questions yet. Obviously, you guys want to probably back test it and like do all your stuff, so I get it. But ask the questions. That's why
I'm looking at
have those
video
classes.
longs.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie though, that's actually like a bar. Like sometimes execution does go over understanding.
Mhm.
Like it's like the analysis paralysis thing. Like you don't have to understand like 200% every intricate detail of like every single thing you
Oh.
learn.
Okay.
What is that? Bumpies. I mean, I do think we're overextended to the downside. Our ATR is kind of cooked right now too.
Guys, I'm looking at the video longs.
Video longs are pretty sexy.
Look at the
I just hope it
cues.
doesn't come back to fill in that gap.
Wake up. And yo, thanks for everybody that's engaging on the socials. I see every single one of
that's
you.
massive for us guys. So
Appreciate it. We had a video hit like 22K. 22K views. Not bad, not
it's
bad.
hidden. So if they saw it, they saw it. But if they didn't,
No, it's
they
posted now.
didn't. Oh, you posted it now?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up now? Hey, my favorite dialysis technician. Good morning.
Mm-mm.
Bad ADHD. Yo, trust me. I'm not gonna lie though, ADHD, trading superpower.
I think any neurodivergent
Yeah.
C is an absolute superpower.
No cap.
And by the
When you
way,
make it
happy
work for
new
you,
month,
'cause
guys.
I know a lot of for real. Not only start of the new month, but start of the like halfway through the year. So, like I was saying, if you guys weren't here at the beginning of stream, is definitely try to make the changes necessary now, because otherwise you're going to stay in the same cycle for the rest of 2026. So,
Bro, I'm telling
if you had
you,
any New Year's resolution and you guys were like, "Hey, I'm going to make the change. I'm actually going to do better. I'm not going to full pour. I'm not going to do this." Do that now.
bro, just make your rules that make sense with your strat and just follow them. Like, I'm telling you right now, if you break a single rule from when you get a new account to when you either get a payout or blow the account, if you break a single rule, you literally do not deserve a payout. Like, you just don't. Because otherwise it's luck. And if you haven't gotten a payout yet, like, ask yourself, have you ever bought an account and
I just
legitimately,
got
like,
in the video longs.
Followed your rule from start to end.
Amar just said he got into NVIDIA calls, by the way.
Yes.
But yeah, you need to follow your rules. Like, you literally need to. Because I'm like pretty sure 99% of the people who haven't gotten a payout yet, they can't say that they've bought an account and like were ultra strict and didn't break a single rule, not even for a second. When you all get to 55, you will understand. I don't understand yet. I'm actually gonna get into a long here.
Shit.
I just entered. I'm in no cap on God, bro.
Shit.
I'm gonna TP at 490.
Shit.
I'm in light. My SL needs to be pretty deep. Damn, that is deep. No cap. It's like an 89. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
I'm gonna be so transparent. I just got so cooked on on consistency that I'm about to pop this account intentionally.
Whoa! Is that on fucking? Is
I was
that
on Vanquish.
816. That's like 17. Hold on.
The 820 is the total.
Oh,
So it's just the 4-8 and then the 3-9.
cooked. Wait, how would you pop the account though?
Just by oversizing and hitting intraday. Because it is trailing, right? So
I understand. I understand it now.
I am not gonna spend my time freaking trying to fix that and make a bajillion dollars.
Yeah, that's the only thing. It's like sometimes when you print too much, it's like
This
not even
NVIDIA
worth
calls
going.
up 25%.
Let's go, Marski. That's what I'm fucking talking about.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
I'm not gonna touch my alphas. They absolutely just railed my account, by the way.
Oh yeah, well, what did they
They just updated.
again for the third time in like today?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Remember how I said it was down 6?
And yeah, and then it showed up 11.
And then it showed up 11. Now it's saying down 8.7. So I'm just gonna contact support and be
Yeah,
like,
like
reset my
honestly.
fucking account.
We did the math. His account bare minimum should be up 22K. And literally before stream, it said he was down 6K. And then 5 minutes before stream, it said he was up 11K. And then now it says he's down
I
8K.
am
Like, what the fuck's
feeling
going on? He hasn't taken a single
here.
trade on it. Sorry, I'm late. Not available. You're banned. You're banned. You are banned, brother. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Bow, bow.
Guys,
wake
I
up.
just took a scale on the video.
Good shit. You love to see it. You love to see it. Wait, I'm confused. My weekly anchored color is different. Was there an update that I didn't know? It used to
That's
be orange. Now it's
43%,
purple.
guys.
I would love to see a pop. I think like the main barrier for this long I'm in is gonna be like 70. We got our weekly and monthly POC there. I mean, it is Monday, but the monthly.
I'm
Oh, wait.
moving SL
June
up
1st,
on the
isn't it?
last one.
Huh. Interesting. Interesting. That was like 25 points from entry, but I'm gonna hold this shit. Follow my strat. TP or SL? That's on. You had a party last night? Oh, was it fun? Did you have a good time? We do have 10 a.m. PMI red folder news today, by the way. So just remember that. Probably wouldn't want to be in a trade when that news comes out, especially for the people who can't trade news, depending on the prop.
That is why I have the SL moved into profits.
10 a.m. Wake up, wake up.
Okay, well, I have 3 more minutes until I can even send a message inside of Alpha because they have a timer for like an hour, and I already sent a
Yeah,
message
dude,
this
Alpha is
morning.
definitely so backed up, dude.
I think they just need to use some Pepto Bismol then.
Wait, say what what were you telling me on Friday about like they had like the support and then the support went
Oh,
down? Yeah,
bro,
tell
guys,
chat.
guys, look how insane this is. So their support tickets were so backed up to the point where they were like, okay, we're gonna open up a WhatsApp number so that you guys can contact us there. Their WhatsApp got flooded so bad that they're like, okay, you know what? DM us instead. So people were DMing, and then they contacted every single one of their support list. So people were showing like 20 DMs onto their support, and no one was getting answers. Their WhatsApp hasn't replied to me in 2 weeks. Oh, underwater whales, they are flooded. Like they're absolutely swimming in trouble right now.
Their Discord support got cooked, and then their website support
I
got cooked, and then
personally
their
think,
WhatsApp support
yeah,
got cooked.
like they should have ran a beta with a select few people who were willing to try the platform, and that's it. Not open it up to the public yet.
You know what the issue is? Is just like the overflooding of people using it. So like I feel like the same shit would happen.
That's fair.
Like with that little people using it, I feel like it would have been fine. They stress tested Alpha Trader on the public. Yeah, but how are you gonna do a proper stress test that is like as big as that without doing it? You know what I mean? Like maybe they should have done it sectionally, you know?
Maybe they should have said like, hey, none of these, like literally beta to the point where it's like it's free to use the platform and no profits or anything, like there's zero risk attached. Do you know what I
Then who would
mean?
want to use like waste their time?
They'll get a free account if they do test it. Because now they're giving out
Oh,
thousands of accounts.
that's not bad.
I know. I'm a
That's
smart
not
guy.
That was actually pretty
I'm
good.
a pretty smart guy when I want to be.
Chat, our cup might be cooked, but funded juicy today. No, Euro, you got this. I believe in you. I want to see it. She's still
Our
open.
premium,
What
I just
What are you playing
posted
along?
my TA in my channel of why NVIDIA worked out so good.
Oh, short. I
Let's
understand.
go.
I understand. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
It's the first in the morning.
Good morning. Ooh.
Tesla is looking
Are
pretty
you
good for
Kanye?
long.
No, I'm Ye.
Uh,
WMR trade. Yo, fish hats. You took that? Good shit.
yeah. If you guys took
Yeah.
any trades from Amarski, and again, just using him as confidence because of NFA, make sure to post it inside of testimonials and tag your boy Amarski.
Yeah.
And guess what? Guess what? Small account challenge sitting at 51%.
Yeah. That's a
Yes,
dub.
sir.
So does that mean technically, if I had an options account with 10 bands, that I would have made 5 bands cash?
Yeah.
That is 50%. NFA, not financial advice.
It never is.
It never is. Huh. We've never given financial advice in our life.
Whoever's in the Alpha Discord, can you say like same as soon as I put out this response in like 27 seconds? I just said, will we be voiding all the trades with Let me spell check this first.
Oh, in the Alpha Futures Discord, you want people
Yeah.
to hop in?
I said, will we be voiding all trades with the OCO and when the OCO and API was down and bugged, I was up 12K before the API outages and the bugs. And now the site is back up and saying I'm down 8.7K. Can we get this resolved ASAP? Especially since I'm a partner and I live stream daily. I can't push this to my prop. I can't push this prop to the community when I am the community owner and I am getting screwed myself.
Here, wait. Before you do that, let me actually share the Alpha Futures Discord real quick. Here we go. All right, guys. Let's get some Prophub love and backing. Everyone join the Alpha Futures Discord. Ace is about to send a message, and just what do you want them to do? Just say,
Be like
just say
saying
same.
this, like
Yeah.
respond to this.
We got to show them, because if they see the Prophub community, they're gonna be like, all right, don't worry, we'll make sure all the Alpha Prophub people get their shit.
You're putting a public chat?
Yep,
I bet I'm hopping
already
there too.
did.
I can't even type in there.
We were all up 12K.
I said same. Bro, I love Carol in a very respectful way.
What the fuck?
She was just the first person in there in the Alpha chat. Like
Always supporting.
I wish I could pronounce her Discord username. I always forget. Miss Carol, how do you say it again? Is it Flaquis or Flaqua or Flack something? I don't remember.
Flex on them.
Good morning, Kels. Flakis? Like Flakis? Or like Flakis? Like, is there like an accent? Is it like Flakis? Or is it just like
A blind kiss.
Flakis?
No, it's like a blind kiss.
Wait, you can't say there you go. I don't know what you're saying there you go to. Is it okay, here we go, ready? Is it Flakis? I've done it again. Someone make me a accent dialect coach. Dialysis technician.
I'm just gonna put
Oh,
in I would
man.
like a reset code, even though I don't trade alpha. So let's see if they give it to me.
Let's see. Let's see how many people in
What
the
you
Prophub
can't
that's
type
in
in
the Alpha
one
chat.
for an hour? Once you type in once?
Yeah, they have their
W.
bro. Their Discord is insane right now. So I get the fact that there's a massive cooldown, but
Hold on, I'm about to shout out all the goats in our chat who actually typed. So of course we got Flakis, we got Fishats, we got Underwater Whales, we got who else do we got in here? We got Jay, Goat, we got Not Available, Legend.
I'm still in
Very
this
kind.
long. By the way, guys, if we can
Me too.
continue to break through this weekly anchored, that would be nice because that is also our weekly POC and our monthly POC, which doesn't mean much considering it is a new week and a new month. But that is our daily POCs essentially.
For my trade, I have a TP at 90.
That is also our Asia low sitting right there. So you guys heard during the class how we treat pivots with mean reversions and all that kind of stuff. Like yesterday's class was actually a fatty.
A fatty.
I wish I could have been there low key. I'm not gonna lie though, my TP is 90 because I'm literally just following my strat, but like this could definitely push to like 530. 530, 535, maybe even higher.
Because I'm looking at the video, Tesla longs at the moment.
Yeah, this could push. You say Tesla longs?
Yeah.
Tesla calls?
Tesla calls not looking
Very good, very
it
nice.
won't be a huge position.
Struggling to reclaim through those POCs. So if we do see a flush underneath 400, that would put me a little bit more bearish, especially if we enter into that daily accumulation at 379. That's my analysis as of right now. Okay.
How about we just make it very simple and smash through all these POCs right now?
So yeah,
I
that
think-
would be
I think that would be
the
nice.
most ideal situation, I think, for almost every single one of us in here.
No
But if
cap.
not, then we have our levels and we understand structure and we know how
Bro.
to trade.
I gotta go to the wash.
Yeah, didn't you say you had to go this morning and you didn't go?
Maybe.
I went.
I want to go, but I don't want to just leave with my trade open.
Yeah.
I could
That
do
is
ATM
much over.
trades.
That way.
Yeah. Good morning, hustle. JJ, go to the washroom and stream there. Ah, wow. That's only
I
on my
agree.
OnlyFans.
Don't drop your keys.
Yeah, I won't drop my keys in the toilet. Don't worry. I'm not Ramsicles. Show
That
us
was
things we
probably
haven't
your
seen.
most
All right.
expensive poop you've ever taken, man.
All right, you know what? Production, I'm giving you a job. I'm going to the washroom. If I hit TP, just cancel my orders.
Cause every time I touch, I get this feeling. And every time I touch, I say I can fly. Can you see my heart beating fast? I want you to last. Need you by my side.
All right, people.
We are sideways. Yo, your NVDA is popping. Brand new
I
whip
already
is
did.
hopped in. You took all already?
Yeah,
I understand.
I ain't trusting all these all-time highs. Oh shit! I just entered some Tesla longs.
I want to see my 6 charter for the people I've been waiting for an option swing. I haven't found anything really that has been absolutely worth it for me. Tesla longs, I actually really do like, even for a longer trade, sitting on a VI, which has been mitigated already because these charts are a little bit older. But NVDA is actually my favorite setup, even for a longer trade. So I might be
Yeah,
taking
I know. I
that.
like it. We can see 225
Again,
this week.
yeah, it's just hard with all-time highs. I will agree with you,
Yeah.
Marsky. So I will be buying 2 weeks out. And I'm saying this out loud. It's only supposed to be for premium, but I'm just saying my thoughts, and it is what it is, what it is, what it isn't. Also, guys, how insane is it? I'm gonna have a baby this month, assuming she comes on time. Jill is
Crazy.
full term now, so she could literally come today. She could come in 3 weeks, but insane to even think that I'm going to have a child in literally this month,
No
anytime
cap.
this month.
Then he's really gonna be daddy.
I'll be honest with you guys. I took 0 DTEs on Tesla when I didn't mean to, but we're just gonna roll with it.
Hmm.
Dude, Ace, if back in the day we had 0 DTEs on like regular stocks, we would be even
On
more
all,
degen.
yeah, I know. Would be even more degen.
Yet he said you're gonna cry like a bitch when the baby comes out.
To be honest, probably. I'm not typically an emotional guy, like at all. But as of late, man, I will admit I will most definitely probably cry. I think honestly that's
Everything's gonna
probably
change. You're gonna look at Daisy. You're gonna be like, oh, this is my life's purpose now.
well, yeah. And honestly, like priorities have shifted significantly already. Like all the boys know this. I haven't even told stream. I actually sold all my like luxury watches and everything because like I don't care for those kind of things. Like I'd rather have money for baby emergency funds, like all that kind of stuff. And no matter how successful you are, you just never know what's going to happen, especially since some of you guys know what's going on with my taxes. But nonetheless, like I don't care for my luxury vehicle anymore, and I need a new car next year. And I'm like, honestly, I don't care what I get anymore, as long as like she's safe, I'm safe, and the family is good. But it definitely changes you.
Yeah, Busting said, this is my life's purpose.
This is my life's purpose. Because when I have been purple, it's been a purpose to do that all over again. And to do that means that we've done that, like that, like, you, what?
I actually don't mind this retest as long as we reclaim 411.
All right, it's make or break
Breakdown here.
for Tashi over here. Tashi.
Being under the POC, I don't mind a 0 DTE puts right now. But that first PT of 380 is literally right there, so just watch out. So trading QQQ while looking at the NQ chart, obviously they're going to move complementary to each other, especially with the same underlying. And going to secure right there, like I just said. And let's see if we can continue to slide inside of that daily accumulation. Otherwise, I'm not really going to want much out of this potential bounce as well. So we'll see.
The life of Ace the Trader. Gangster, autistic, trader, father, but still autistic.
You found my life story. Congratulations.
But are you dancing?
Rams dance this weekend, guys.
If we get a proper flip here, depending on this
You guys
candle
wanna see
close, I'll
Rams
flip
dancing?
positions to a short. by
Rams,
the
can
way.
I show
Yeah.
them?
Yeah.
Guys, there's the short. Come on, baby. Look at Rams, guys.
Mori, Mori.
That's production. That's production. Yay. He was on the big stages. He's on the big stages.
Hey.
Yeah.
Bowser. Because every time we touch,
W.
I get
Ramses.
this feeling.
W. Ramses. Look at
Every
that
time
short
we
list. We are
touch.
inside, guys, of our daily accumulation range that has been set. So
W
watch out for
short
that.
Mr. Ace. Wait, Rams can break it down? Bro, Rams is on a dance team. He
Yeah.
competes professionally on the stages.
He's been competing for what, Rams, 12 years now? Well, 9 with YYZ, but in total. No,
Damn.
longer. I think, yeah.
That's crazy.
Because even S90, that was your first team ever, right?
That's crazy. Rams has been competing for 11 years.
Over.
Over 11 years. But can he do the Michael Jackson? Can you?
By the way, guys, that's how me and Rams met, was being a part of the same dance team. And then we realized that we had insane amounts of mutuals.
Why doesn't he do the P-Hub breakdowns then?
We can start that. Don't diss me.
Yeah, we should start that. How about now every single breakdown we do,
Rams breaks it down.
No, Rams has to be behind you the
Just
entire
breaking it
time,
down.
just dancing the whole time. The
I
whole
like
time he
it.
has to break it down.
That just retested the top of that accumulation, guys. So really be careful here if it can't reclaim.
I get cooked. No cap on God, bro, but shit.
Which is fine. You followed your system.
I follow my system.
It's a trade you would take every time, and
Yeah.
you know,
You know who can do the Michael Jackson? Conspi. Or maybe even one better than Michael. Oh god, here we go. Shebang. All of my ups, they're dead.
guys, that was us at the gym nonstop.
Gas
today.
me up. Where did it go? My head. Mid, skip. Type shit. Minis on the beat, shebang. Yo, not available, brother.
I'm not touching my alpha. That's BS.
I
If
think
they
you
leave it
like
like
Drake
that.
too much. I think you and Postings will be best friends. All of my ops, they're dead.
Don't they know each other IRL?
No,
You know, not available IRL though, right?
no.
I thought you did.
No.
Oh. What? Who put that?
Not looking very bull friendly. No cap on God, bro. My SL is the lows, so if we get there, cooked. I don't give a
Watch out for
fuck.
these value area lows. That is my next PT off of these putties. So we'll see. You guys are printing. Make sure to be securing, trimming up. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing.
I wanted to pull up to the party, but they didn't invite me. Very interesting.
I'm at the party. I'm with the gang.
This is the top of my range here. The top of two of my ranges. I like 350.
Mm-hmm.
Could
Look
be
at us with the same-
potentials, but if we break through, then cooker.
And there is the first value area
Shit.
low, guys. There's the second one, and we are approaching that third. Here's my trim point, and let me take before.
Yeah, we have news in a minute.
But I ain't been broke in a minute.
Like honestly, best case scenario for me right now is we get a suck up before this news, and then news candle goes bullish. But like we're so close to my SL that I'm just gonna consider this a L and look for the next trade.
And we are below the value area lows.
still in it.
However, whoever was in yesterday's class knows that that suck up potential is 1,000% there, at least to your next pivot, which would be both your opens and that accumulation high. So we are watching like a Hawkins. Moving SL to profits now.
What is this low? 90. What is it on thing? 91. All right, I understand. Oh,
Look
this is
at
the news
that.
scandal. Here we go. Am I gonna get tapped, or are we gonna get a full flip?
A full flippies. We'll see. It's starting.
I wouldn't mind full flippies. You know what I mean? That'd be pretty cool, if you ask me. Euro should be printing, right? Euro, you're here. You said you were in the shorts, or is this like near your entry? Were you short, like basically open? Maniz, yo, who's Maniz, by the way? Who is that? Manesh? Oh, who the fuck is Manesh? Oh, I'm about to get SL'd. Very close.
We are now at the bottom of open print. So we have our orb low established now. And I'd watch out here.
It'd be pretty gangster if my SL was like a snipe. Some producer from TO, Amar's people. I understand.
Whoa.
What are you saying? Are you in anything? Are you looking at anything?
I will look for
No?
a potential bounce
Amar?
here now.
Amar?
Yes.
I asked you, are you in anything or looking at anything?
Yeah. I'm still in those Teslas. I just averaged down.
Beauty. Oh yeah, I forgot. The sack chat. The people in the sack chat getting all the saucing. Yo, Bones, W by the way, passing your Vanquish account. Super fire.
Super hot fire flames. And also to Mike, who already got a payout.
For real. Mike is a goat. Already got a payout on the Vanquish. So far. All of my ops, they're dead. Ha ha ha. Shebang.
I need a bigger, literally just slightly more of a bounce there, guys. I'm looking at right around 350 to 360 for that first trim off of this reversion. But honestly, Kells is right. We don't have really a dynamic POC to help me out right now. So we'll see. Definitely lighter position.
Oh, you switched?
Yep.
I
I
understand.
secured all right there at those equal lows. And now that we're above our VALs, I want to see us in a long. But we'll see.
Actually very curious of how today's gonna end for my account. I haven't had a red day since the 12th of last month. So if this is the only trade I see today, then it'll be the first red day since the 12th. Manish on the beat, shebang. Oh, Manish on the beat because he's the producer of the beat. I get it. We have 5K on the funded. Yo, W Euro. I get it now, Pasta. Manish on the beat, shebang. Huh. JJ, do you want to watch Masters of the Universe? What the fuck is that?
Guys, I was supposed to watch Backrooms yesterday, but I had to refund my tickets.
I watched it. I thought it was so fire.
I know. Even Vinny called me. He was like, "You have to watch it." I'm like, "Okay, Papa."
Honestly, though, you might not like it.
Vinny.
If you're not a fan of Backrooms, then like you might not like it. But I'm a fan because I've played so many Backrooms games with my boys, and I thought it was dope. I'm so close to SL here. If like I need this bounce off 300 for real, for real.
Might have to manually flatten my
Bathroom games,
long.
done for the day. W Adri,
W.
$448. I'd ask for testes, but fuck it. I'm still gonna ask. Huh? There's the chat. Leave it in there.
Who printed off of those shorts as well with me? I know that I'm in some red right now, but who did print?
Vinny called JJ. JJ's like, I'm with Pasta. Vinny said, who the fuck is that? Hashtag humbled. I was too quick to put it in there for you. Did you put it? Let me see. A W Adri testimonial. Love to see it. Mr. Sister Twister, when do we shortlist people for group coaching? Oh, don't you worry. We got an announcement today exactly for that. Actually, do you want to just say it now or are you in a trade? I still can't believe my friend passed his first eval. Type shit.
Sorry, yeah, I'm in a trade.
Oh, you're in a trade? All right. When we're done with the trades, we'll do the group coaching announcement. Yeah. Pretty fire. CJ, yeah. You can't be doing that, Jay.
Habibi.
You can't be trading with hopium.
There we go, guys. Back into the green there. And again, it is a lighter position than that first initial short, but we are green.
Yeah, you know Pasta is actually married, guys? Did you know that?
To Toasty.
No, he's like actually
Toasty.
married to a Latina named Valentina. But you know, he still goes around and chat. Present. Toasty, do you get that reference? When I said present. Who gets it? Who's cultured? Who gets that reference?
Yeah, it's from Keel and Peel.
Yep.
Key and Peel, yeah. W.
Okay, but
Timothy.
who's cultured enough to know Miss Swan?
Miss Swan?
Yeah, we've spoken about it before.
Who the fuck is that?
I know Buffett's gonna know. And Buffett's
Who the fuck is Miss Swan?
I was gonna say Buffett's young, but he's not. Matt TV. Hey, Buffett!
Shit, man, I might be too young for that. For real, for real.
Man, Matt TV was an absolute W back in the day.
All of my ops, they're dead.
Why?
I killed them all. Ha! Wait, are we on TikTokings?
Shh. No, not
Oh.
today.
Oh, I can't say
Because
that.
I couldn't
In
get
GTA. In GTA.
my account going.
Right, chat? I killed them in GTA, in the game.
The ops.
The ops.
They're dead.
In GTA.
But the ops, yeah, they're the ones that are that they have like they,
Alright. Okay. But I'm not gonna lie, trading when you're actually trading proper with like rules and a strat and you literally just follow it,
doesn't it feel so easy?
it's just like so calm. You know what I mean? Because like it has nothing to do with me. I'm just trading what I know works. You know? I have my SL, I have my TP, and I don't give a shit. Because I know over time it's profitable.
You don't give a freaking freak, okay?
Exactly, Mr. Romarsky, he's done it again.
What the fuck is that? Alright, let's see if we can hold 350 here.
Yep. Nice little long skis, guys. And that, again, I told you that fib was going to be my first PT. So let me secure right there. Ooh, are we breaking through? Do I even not need a secure?
Yeah, don't secure right now. Don't secure.
Secures?
Okay, every time Amar says that, guys, I have to secure. All the OGs will remember. Whenever Amarski would call me a paper hands, ooh, there it goes.
It's
Jericho,
a new year.
Jericho.
It's a new year.
Oh.
Wowzers.
There we go, guys. We are 2 for 2 for this session. Took the nice short, waited for that reversion all the way back up to our TP. And as you guys can see right here, boom, bow, bing. That is the top of that daily accumulation range. So, absolute
come
banger right now.
on, man.
Bro, I'm still on my
0 DT.
original trade. I don't give a fuck.
Hey,
But
that,
look,
it just goes to show that you're sized properly to allow that drawdown.
Yeah. I mean, it was close. Look at this. Look at this. This red line is my SL. Look at this chat. This is called not being emotional. I set my SL and I don't go fuck.
There we go. Look at that, guys. But that is my TP, so most is out. If it does break, I could add back in as well. But as of right now, mostly out and just holding. That's Ranar.
Now, if we do, the top of my range is 69. So if we get a nice hold and close above 70, I think we'll definitely go for a continuation and retest near those highs. That big accumulation.
Okay,
block
but who took that NVDA that I ended up saying out loud? It's supposed to be a swing, and this thing is absolutely ripping.
Bro just did exactly my Conspi impersonation at your crib. Wait, who? What are you talking about? You? Oh, I did. Adios mio.
Guys, look at that level. Look at those pivots just working nonstop. Did I not say that was my TPs?
W Flakis.
Come on, baby.
She said we are green today. Yo,
Yeah.
Let me do a poll.
We stayed out of calls and did not chase.
Amarski. Stop hot
Sorry.
micing. 2, 3. He's so hot.
All right, chat. Everyone answer that poll right now. Hey, W Alpha. Everyone answer the poll. The poll in the Discord chat. And for everybody on the socials, hop in the Discord. It's free, baby. And that's where the chat is the most active
Okay, cool.
and the least delayed.
Shout out Alpha. They closed all my accounts.
What?
It doesn't even show a failed account. It just shows no accounts.
Oh, so it shows you've never even had one in the first place.
It was just a joke.
Like, what the fuck?
What is going on, guys?
The biggest rug pull in Prophub history.
Shown live.
Nah, they're definitely just fucking around with it.
Yeah, they're just trying to figure out their back end. It's fine.
All of my ops are dead. Tradeovate had issues last night at Globex. Is that true?
On Alpha? Oh, Tradeovate.
Tradeovate.
Yeah, Tradeovate did. It was kind of al dente.
Oh, you were trading Globex too?
He has to when you're in the comp. You don't have time. You got to keep going.
Oh, we got 0 people that say they're red in the vote. 9 greens, 3 BEs, W. Type shit. All of my ops, they're dead. Oh, I mean, in GTA. Right? I've been out of the Tradeify Grand Cup since day 1. Oh, are you BE on the cup? The cup trade? Nice. All right, you still have a chance. What do you need to like make the next bracket? Like, how much do you have to make about? You don't know yet? I love my ops. Shebang. Anyone still holding along? I am. I have my SL at 87.
Look, guys, they didn't even respond.
Who, Alpha?
Yeah, to all of our DMs or all our messages.
They didn't respond or
my
they did respond?
They did not.
If we get a flip green and push past that wick, potential to reclaim that 400. No cap, bro. I love seeing. I feel like our chat has the highest percentage of green people in like communities. Bro, other communities are so ass. I can't lie. Like, I don't like bringing them up too much and talking shit. But like, I know a lot of them, especially the big ones. They straight up just ban people that say anything negative, even if it's completely true. If it just makes them look even slightly bad, they just fully ban them. Too bad they can't ban reviews though. Who does that? I'm not gonna name names. But I will say that if you go on certain people's WAPs and look at the reviews, you just see a fuck ton of reviews saying that they're cap, and it's like impossible to non-financial advice follow them because they don't show shit and they just cap about their entries. For people who have been around Discords for a while, they know how it goes, you know? They'll tell you that they're taking a trim and you're like, this is below my entry that you said is entry.
But okay, for sure, front
But
run.
okay, I guess. Oh, and then you're up 20K. Wow. Very nice.
Hey guys, I'm exiting those Teslas. Ticks.
That's fine.
Sometimes they straight up delete the entry messages for real. But you know why? Because most of those people are not good traders. Like all the ones that flex, like, oh, look at all these payouts, look at all these payouts, blah, 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 blah. It's like, if they actually were that nasty, would they not share their trade of it? You know what I mean? And would they not actually show their payout emails instead of just the withdraw, which is literally just affiliation money that they lie about? Oh my god, exposed. And some of them are so bad at lying too. I won't say who, but me and Ace both saw a video of somebody showing that they were up on fundeds. And it was like 4 accounts up 10K each. But if you look at the video, they're literally evals.
Yeah, it made no sense.
I wonder if that video is still up.
He like tried to like
Are you
whip
talking
it
about the
quick
trend
enough so
line
that
date?
you couldn't tell.
Are you talking about the trend line date, lady?
No.
Why they do that? To take advantage of the people in their chat. They basically gas themselves up and lie to make themselves look how good traders we are. Pay us to teach you. That's why I say, show me your payouts, bitch. No cap. No cap. Like all these people that like, if you really think about it, all these people that lie about their payouts, if you were to add up their fake payouts, they would be number 1 on the leaderboards. And if they actually were number 1 on the leaderboards, they would flex it so hard. Like it would be a highlight on their Instagram of a screenshot of them on the leaderboard. But they can't do that because they're not even on the leaderboard. Like not even on the bottom. Because it's just all lies. Bro, Euro, you can do it. I have faith.
Dude, I swear to God, if Tesla reverses
God.
here,
That candle? Wowzers in my trousers. Talk about being a fucking disciplined trader. I'm still in this bitch. There's the 400 test. If we can get a nice clean break and hold through it, that'd be peak. Realistically, it'd need to be 410. Like 410, 411 to actually be really strong. Hey, WCals, look at that. 1500. All of my ops, they're dead. I want a short 400. It could fully be valid. Just gotta see if it
Threw my
is gonna
pivot
reject
straight
or
to the
hold.
POC. Wow. Good job, Ace. Let's see if it goes back inside that accumulation range. Holy sharp buckets. Who took NVDA?
Are you printing?
What? Go look at the chart. How about that?
All right.
yeah, NVDA is going crazy. You're welcome.
I'm just. Some might say he has done it again. Others might say he's done it to win. Others might say, I don't know what I'm saying.
Damn. Whoever took Ace's
Mars.
Nvidia. Amar's Nvidia.
I know Mars. Yeah.
Printed.
Technically, he called it out first. I called it a
Sorry, I
swing on it.
wasn't paying attention.
Hey, but he closed.
You've got to be.
I'm
smart.
in. I'm in, Amar. I'm deep in.
Was the entry price accurate? What does that mean? Oh, it's like to the call. What's your entry?
235. Yeah, by the time I called it out, it had a massive pop. But honestly, it was still valid and it would still be up even right now. All of my ups, they're dead. Were you saying that too?
Yeah. I was about to say no cap on God, bro.
Gra- pa, pa, pa.
I'm not gonna lie, just looking at structure alone, seeing this fully fail and make a new low is kind of ugly, but it's doable.
It's underneath the fib now.
All of my ops, they're dead. RIP. In GTA. Yo, chat, is anybody here actually hyped for GTA 6? We got any, or is it just
Whatever
me?
comes out.
Hey,
Yeah, whenever it comes out.
November 19.
Yeah, that's what they keep saying.
Yeah, but I feel like it should be November 19 this time.
The should is crazy.
Because they don't start what's it called? They don't start marketing and pushing out stuff until like they know for sure. And on May 16, it got leaked that Best Buy messaged a bunch of their customers being like, you can pre-order GTA 6 soon. And that wasn't supposed to come out. Best Buy's low-key so ass with leaks. That's how the PS5 got leaked too. It was the same shit. Everyone got emails being like, PS5s are available. JJ, you still in the long? Yep. Listen, when I enter, I hold that bitch. Either at SL or TP. With the way my strat works, the amount of times that it's like just chilled, bounced around, got close to SL, and then went and hit TP. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Mr. Sister Twister said, what indicator is on the left screen?
One that's going to be released very soon, actually. Oh wait, oh yeah, they're talking about mine.
Yeah, that one's so banger. Are you guys gonna quit streaming for 3 days when it comes out, or what? I mean, I'm hoping it comes out. Wait, what is November 19th? Actually, what day is that? That's a Thursday. That's looking so banger. Yo, we might just take the Friday off. I can't lie. I might take the Thursday off too. Sorry, chat. I mean, it's in multitask. What do you think? I'm gonna be in my room alone, with the lights off.
Yo,
No, bro, are you kidding? I'm gonna play it on release. Like I'm gonna watch the countdown on my PS5. I've accepted I need multiple layers of confluence before entry. Yo, listen. That's
always should.
that's that's how you should be trading.
Yeah, this is the indicator that premium literally went through yesterday, Mr. Sister Twister, and it will be released very, very soon. I'm just finalizing everything with it.
But this is gonna have momentum if we break.
Oh yeah, I agree. Hoping it does, but that previous day POC is literally sitting at that 400, which gets a little iffy.
Yeah. No, but that's what I'm saying. If we actually break through it,
Mm-hmm.
like above 411 would be nice.
Here's 400. I'm gonna flat in for now. I think. I don't care to hold one runner. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But if this thing continues to break right here, that's my
Might have to
PT right
move my
there at
T-
406. And let's see if we can get that continuation now.
460.
I was gonna flatten, but fuck, this thing just decided to rip. It's always nice.
Might have to move my
Look at the NVIDIA.
I know, trust me.
my TP down, low key. Where does it go? My head.
But
Literally
guys, that is
testing POC right here, guys. That's what I want to take, but yeah, I got a bit greedy. As long as she can stay above 406, I'm happy. So 400 to 406, nothing below 397 now.
I just slightly averaged down after that close. Very slightly.
Honestly, pretty good add-in. I will say.
GDV
It's funny because I trimmed out,
all-time
but
high.
I'm saying it's a good add-in.
But look at Buffett. Look at our long-term analyst printing
Always.
with an account pure cash, 180 Rizzlers, and that's just one of the portfolios. Oh my God, Yeti, stop.
Okay. Finally took some right there. I think it could keep going, but it is testing our day open right now.
All of
Day
my ops,
open
they're dead.
/ week open.
Gas me up. After that average down, I have my TP at 62.
all right, guys. Gonna get off.
You're gonna get off?
He's gonna get off. He's gonna.
You're
Y'all have
leaving?
a wonderful day.
Yo,
What was it?
WMR's in the chat. Sack is looking fantastic.
How's the sack looking today, Amar? Give the people an
Hey,
update.
it's still green. The Tesla
Noise.
loss was pretty heavy because I accidentally did 0 DTEs rather than weeklies.
We understand. It was
But
near.
SAC is
so-
still nonetheless green.
Still green. User error. It is what it is. Shit happens.
It is what it is.
No cap.
Wait, did you even alert the Tesla though?
Yeah.
Oh, fair.
All right,
was
well,
looking-
WMR.
If it
WMR.
was weekly, I would hold it a lot longer, but
Mm-hmm.
can't do that with 0 DTEs.
Yeah, I get it. Shoot.
All right, well, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll make up the loss.
There you go.
Yeah.
Testing
easy, baby.
400 right here. We don't want to see it under
Later, MRC.
397. Testing 397 right there. I want to see that hold.
For real, for real.
Wow. Nice flip right there. Back above POC. Oh, what? Oh,
What?
I over leveraged myself a bit. It's okay.
No. No. Very interesting. Sometimes trading is just sitting down and waiting, whether or not you're in a trade. All of my ops, shebang.
I don't know who's shebangs. It is below 397 now,
Martin?
guys.
Ricky Martin, shebangs.
I like William Hung better. That was an absolute banger. If you guys are OGs and remember old American Idol, oh man.
Bro, I remember there was one year, like long ass time ago, I watched American Idol live, and it was the one where Steven Tyler did Dream On live. It was pretty tough. Dream On.
Or Chocolate Rain. Who remembers that? That's a banger. Classics we're talking about right now.
Chocolate Rain. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. No, Amar is officially Prophub only. Chocolate Rain. Boo-doo-boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Chocolate Rain. You have got to be skidding me. Chocolate Rain. All right.
Bouncing again off that daily accumulation, just holding. Let's see what happens, guys.
For real. Anybody have interesting shit go on over the weekend? Okay, let me go trade some evals.
Oh.
2K in my funded each. Yo, W
You know what?
Flakis.
Why don't we talk about the news
Oh, yeah.
right now?
Yeah, go. Tell
Okay.
them exactly what's happening.
So to the people that are interested in the small group coaching, I hope you guys saw the announcements. We did put out applications for it to see who was actually interested. Again, it's going to be a very small niche group. That way we can actually give our love, handhold a little bit more than typical, and all that kind of stuff. We are going to have full ass helper support and all of that just for small group coaching. So it's going to be a lot of love built inside of it. But nonetheless, if you guys are interested, we are giving out the link ASAP first to the people that did apply, because obviously they're the most interested. If you guys missed the announcements, make sure to go check it out ASAP, because as soon as stream is done, they're going to get the first link. So they basically get 24 hours before everyone else to apply. And again, there's only 10 spots available. So we'll see.
So if you are actually interested, just go and hit the link in announcements, answer all the questions, the Google form, and what, like right after stream?
As soon as I set it up and everything, yeah.
Yeah. So after stream today, all the people who actually like answered the link, they will get all the links first. Once links are out, is it first come first serve? Yes.
Yes.
But the people who answered the Google form will get the links first, And then if somehow there's still spots open, then tomorrow the link will just drop in the Discord.
Also, not only that, some of the people that did apply will not be accepted as well. Just saying. It is based off of your answers, whether or not you're even capable of dedicating the time toward it. Because I don't want to be held responsible for if you guys are just dilly-daddling, expecting results.
Yeah, if you're someone who's gonna be like skipping classes and put like a couple hours a week, don't even get it.
Yeah. Like,
'Cause
we
it's
are
not gonna
not
do
here
anything
for the
for you.
money grab at all. Like, we genuinely want to build the next traders for Prophub and all of that. So don't waste your time, don't waste my time, and don't try to take a spot from someone who honestly might be a little bit more deserving, especially if you know you can't dedicate, number one, the time, the money, etc., etc. But yeah, it's absolute banger. I'm super excited. We've had so many students that have been able to hit leaderboards, get consistent payouts. You guys see them in here every single day. People like Kels, Euro, David, Amarski, John, Rams. People like this who are able to actually take the information and put it towards something good for themselves, as opposed to just expecting results just because you took it. Right? That's like going to school and expecting to be the absolute top of the 1% of your
Yeah.
class and like all of that kind of shit without doing any of the work.
The best example is there are people that have taken your old mastermind where they've taken the exact same stuff, and one of them is on leaderboards pulling out like literally like $1 million in payouts, and then the other one has never gotten a payout to this day. And they all literally had the exact same information.
Yeah. And everyone's on their own journey. Like, we're not comparing the two. We're just saying you can't have any expectation for yourself. It's just about how you're actually able to digest and utilize the information at the end of the day.
I would say though that like if you actually take it seriously and you're like, you know what, I really want to make this work, then obviously no promises, because like I don't know what that means for you, but it definitely makes it way easier to actually make it work. And it's funny, you see it live. Like in your old MMs, I remember like first class, everybody's there. When you get to the last class, the viewer count live literally drops by like more than half.
Yeah.
And it's like those people that dropped off, obviously you're not gonna make it. Like how are you gonna?
What I think is so funny though is you're always like, yo, what an absolute printer. Look at this person. I'm like, yeah, that's my student.
Yeah.
Like whenever it's a testimonial of like a payout, John's always like, yo, this person's a printer. I'm like, yeah, that's my student. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my student. Yeah, that's my and it's always so consistent. Hey Ace, I have had the Chef MM. I understand you two do seem to use a lot of similar recipe. Just want your opinion if getting into the group coaching still opens a lot of doors. Personally, yes, we do stuff like we utilize same tools, but we utilize it very differently. So even if you're able to grab, this is my thought process. And again, you might think differently, right? But my thought process is if I can have the slightest edge greater than what I was, that in itself will result to more payouts for me. So that's why I'm, even myself, have still been taking courses, still taking classes, still trying to learn as much as possible. Because imagine just that much of a difference. One payout is X amount of dollars, right? So let's just say a Lucid, right? You're getting from a 50K right around $2,000 to $2,500. I just paid for that whole course just because I utilized one extra little sliver of information. Everything counts, especially in this kind of space. So if you're able to grab anything or utilize anything, perfect. And if you didn't care for it, but now you have a greater understanding, it's always worth it to pay for knowledge, in my opinion.
Me and you were literally talking about recently taking a course.
Yeah.
Yeah. On something that's like an aspect.
It's actually going to be inside of the small group coaching. I'm just saying. It's so something that I've never taught. Whoa, English. Something I've never taught before is being inside of this new small group coaching. And honestly, that in itself is a game changer.
That in itself made me way better at trading. Even just like a few concepts from it has made me like dial in my strat so accurately. That it's like super banger.
But again, all up to you guys. We are not forcing anyone's hands. We're not trying to sell you guys on anything. We believe it sells itself. So if you're interested, then definitely join, especially if you're ready for that change. And if not, that's
Oh,
completely fine too.
oh, I do want to add because I don't want there to be any confusion. There is not going to be. Actually, wait. Let me not say it. I'm like 100% sure, but I feel like I. Let me ask you first. I'm like 100% sure we're not doing this, but I don't want to say it, and then you'd be like, "No, we can."
I feel like I know what you're going to say. I think I'm already going to say no.
Look, it's definitely all right.
No, that's a yes.
How?
What do you mean?
No, I mean like for the people, yeah. But I'm saying,
Oh, no.
yeah. Okay.
We can say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want there to be any confusion. It's not like an MM where there's going to be recordings after and you're going to be able to like
Purchase or like view it
purchase it
afterwards.
later and then view it. The only people that are going to get recordings are the people that are like in it live.
Yeah, we are not selling the recordings or anything.
So like once the group coaching starts, literally the only people who will ever see those recordings or videos or anything are the people that are in it.
It's literally about like building the next set of traders. It's not about
Yeah.
money at all for us.
Yeah, because the point is to focus on those people and like be able to handhold them.
Man,
So it
shit. If
doesn't-
it was
it-
about money, we wouldn't be free. Let's be honest.
Bro, if it was about money, we wouldn't have a limit to people, and we would sell the recordings after.
Yeah, I'd be fucking pushing premium down your guys' throats every 2 seconds, or just putting us behind a paywall right from the get go, like
Yeah.
other servers.
Yeah. Chocolate rain.
Chocolate train.
Okay, perfect. For me to dial in, I need to watch it a few times. Yeah, no, the people who are actually in the group coaching live definitely get the recordings so that you can like go back to it as
Yeah,
you're like
or if you're not able to
testing,
make the class or whatever
Yeah.
the case is.
which I really would try to make it live, just because
Well, we
I feel like
understand some of you guys have
yeah,
kids and whatnot.
yeah. We'll probably do what's it called? Like a vote, a poll for the people that are in it for what time is like best for everyone. It's probably gonna be around the same time that we do classes anyway. But
And
yeah.
for the premium people who are like, man, we're gonna miss out. You guys still get your classes, and again, it's very very diluted sauce. Like as you guys can tell from yesterday, you're still able to utilize a lot of the concepts and all of that inside of premium, but it's nowhere as information heavy as a mastermind or a small group coaching is. Like you don't really understand exactly like what Toasty was saying, and I don't remember,
Jay.
and Jay. Right? They're able to utilize the concepts, but they don't really understand why it's happening or what's going on. That's premium. Premium, you're able to kind of understand, kind of get an understanding, but it's not the in-depth sauce
Yeah.
that you would get from a small group coaching where we go through all of the details as to why it's happening.
Yeah. And getting the in-depth understanding is what makes you able to like really dial in your strat. Because like if you fully understand it, then like you know how it works. You know what I mean? You could be like, oh, well, because this works like this, I'm gonna change this in my strat. I'm gonna add this confluence and work this around, blah blah blah.
The best example of this too is like imagine all of you guys who use a simple VWAP but can't even explain what a VWAP is or why it works.
If we
Same
haven't
premise.
done an MM before, would the coaching be beneficial still? Yeah, 100%. The
1000%.
coaching is better than an MM because it's literally way more hand holding. Actually, where's the? I'm gonna resend the old announcement of it.
It's in announcements, yeah.
For the group coaching. Psychology structures consist. Yeah, if you read it, like you get a private one-on-one with Ace, lifetime for all custom indicators, 50% off premium. You get a free Vanquish account, you get a free futures account, and then obviously the group coaching. And how long is the group coaching gonna run for? About? You think?
We are giving it like roughs just because like obviously Daisy's gonna be here and all that. Like I'm a first time father, so I don't know, and it depends on like if Jill gets a tear or like if she has to get a C-section or like anything like that. But for the most part, it is going to be 8 weeks minimum.
8 weeks minimum, so like around 8 to 10.
And like we're still gonna have our group even after the fact. So I'm still gonna be doing check-ins. I'm still gonna be doing like all the Q&As and like all of that for you guys as well. Like that's not gonna be missed out at all. So don't just think like
Yeah.
once the 8 weeks are done, I'm leaving you guys in the dust. Like no.
Like some of these other shitty dog ass masterminds that people do that are 1 week long and teach you
Literally.
nothing.
And it's crazy because I actually featured in one of the masterminds that someone else did, and they literally said they're like, "Why was this the best class throughout this whole mastermind
Yeah,
that you taught?"
yeah. The
And it
best
wasn't even
class,
my mastermind.
the best
I
class
was a
of their
guest spot.
mastermind was you.
Yeah.
Wait, sorry,
And it's
I'm at
crazy
work
'cause their
changing.
teacher was asking me on the sidelines afterwards how to actually use it. How insane is that?
Yeah, so let me say it again because Toasty didn't hear probably from before. After stream, the first links that are gonna go out, which means you're gonna be able to actually like buy it and secure a spot, is gonna be to the people that responded to the Google form, which is in announcements. So if you haven't yet, you still have a chance before stream ends to go and answer the whole thing. And you'll get the first links, and then 24 hours later, so tomorrow, if the spots aren't filled, which they might not be, maybe. The link will go out tomorrow to the whole
Because we are going to
Discord.
deny some people from the applications as well. Full transparency. Like, just because you filled out an application doesn't mean you're accepted.
Yeah. So we could trade the future eval and vanquish during the coaching.
Yes.
Yeah, 100%.
We're actually giving away a free month of Vanquish and a futures account
Yeah, to
for the
every
people
single
that join
person.
small group coaching.
So you don't even need to pay for an account. You can literally just run those.
Yep.
All of my ops, they're dead.
Also, guys, if you guys are going to purchase any props, make sure to use code PHUB. I know we haven't said that once today, but it definitely helps all the boys in office continue to do this for free whenever you guys use code PHUB and support us.
But real quick, you want to talk about discipline? I'm still in my first entry.
Absolute banger.
Like holy. And this could still fully flip and nuke and hit SL, and I still won't care. Ooh. Monk said how to start as a beginner and is it safe for sure? Well, lucky for you, we actually are working on something for beginners. But on your own, I would definitely say, I mean, I don't know, it's hard to say to like go and look up free shit because there's also a bunch of garbage that you don't need that people make videos of for free.
Oh, yeah.
And
Look
I
at that
like
long.
the last thing you want to do, the best way to get somebody profitable is to take someone who is like an empty vessel and doesn't already have bad habits and doesn't already have like thoughts on how the market's supposed to work and move and price action, whatever. Like the hardest thing is getting someone who's been failing for years and has
To
all these.
untrain them in their bad
Yeah, you
ways.
have to. Yeah, exactly. You have to untrain all the things they think are correct, and then teach them properly.
You know what's crazy? When I first started my first MM, and Kels will remember this, and a lot of the older students, they'll literally remember me telling them, forget everything you've ever learned from trading because
Mhm.
we're about to erase and change all of that.
For sure, JJ. I wish I didn't have to kick habits. Yeah, for real. But actually, would we be able to estimate? Because we didn't tell them exactly what it is yet, but we do have something for beginners coming. Do you think we'd be able to estimate when that would be done and out?
I mean, that's on and all of that. So this month.
This month?
Yeah.
Okay. So for beginners, I would say potentially this month something's coming out. And I wouldn't want to fill.
If not this month, definitely 1,000% by next month.
Yeah.
We're trying to push it by this month. And like when we're saying it's for beginners, it is like for the true beginner. And it's going to be actually like, we will tell you guys straight up, it is monetized, right? Like we want to make sure that all our efforts are being put toward good. However, when I say it is the cheapest fucking thing you guys could ever pay for, like it is literally.
You know what? I could just tell them this straight up. It's literally cheaper than the cheapest eval you could even buy.
Yeah. It's literally just making sure that whatever the editor did, we'll just pay him off of that. Because we're not going to be
Like,
pocketing shit off of that.
We're making like basically. I think we're gonna lose money on it.
We are.
But like
we are
it's
1,000% losing money.
It's just to be able to pay the
editor.
But yeah, if you are like brand new, don't fill your brain with garbage. I would say like learn things that are definitely like guaranteed. Like if you go on our YouTube, learn how to use Tradeovate. Learn like what a prop is. We have like a video on what props are. Learn like what the market actually is, like a candlestick, like open, high, low, close. Like learn the basics. That is like just a fact. but I wouldn't fill your head with like strategies and like ICT and IVGs and like, you know what I mean? Yeah, don't watch anything about ICT for real. You're just gonna confuse yourself.
Ups, they're dead.
All of my ups, all of them, every single one. Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm super hyped.
I'm hyped.
The market is just moving sideways right now. I know John told you guys his SL and PT, and it is being pinned by our weekly anchored, which was my TP for the long, which is perfect. I went 2 for 2. John is still sitting in his trade. And is there anything else you guys want to say before we conclude today's session for this Monday?
Uriel asked if you still do options. He used to follow you in COVID. Wait, Uriel, were you in Concord? That'd be pretty banger. He must have been in Concord, right?
Yeah.
If he followed you in
must have.
options during COVID, that's literally Concord. Yeah, but he does still do options. Oh yeah, go Uriel, go check the old Concord Discord if you're still in it. It might look different.
Well, if he types in Concord, he won't be able to find it. It's called Prophub now. Yeah,
Risky, but I am crazy old lady. What? Oh, you said okay, I will try short. I understand. Hey, we're at the 420 level. Are we gonna hold 420? No cap. Ben T said ace.
Ben. Oh, I know Ben. What
You
is
know-
up, Ben?
you
Did
know
you say
Ben?
congrats to? Yeah, I've even met him in person.
No way.
Yeah, we were chilling in Austin together when I wasn't banned yet.
Do you miss
Actually,
the
wait.
US?
Did I even see you when I was in Boston too, or am I tripping? Congrats on the. Thank you, Ben. I appreciate you. Shout out to Lando too, man. Shit, we on the same timeline.
No cap. No cap dizzle. His kid's a unit?
For real.
Is he?
Yeah.
In
Check staff chat.
here? Oh, not in. Wait, what is this? Staff chat.
In our staff server.
Oh, damn. That baby's cute as
Yeah.
fuck. Oh, yeah. I literally said congrats.
But yeah, I think that concludes today. Thank you, One Way. I appreciate you.
And again, if you guys are actually interested in group coaching and you're going to take the time to like lock in on it, then make sure to go answer the Google form in announcements.
Yep.
If you're somebody who you don't think that you have the time to actually take it seriously, then don't get it because you're just going to waste your money and your time.
Yep. And my time.
No cap. Make sure to use code PHUB for any and all prop firms, including Vanquish Prop, which is banger.
And
you
we are
guys-
going to do premium breakdown live today for the first time in a good while instead of a write up, and that will be at 11:15.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much
That's it. Yeah.
W day. Love you guys. I'm still in this trade. I'll let you know what happens in general chat if you're interested. And yeah.
We love y'all.
Peace.